heading to the climbing gym. I don't know, I'm still recovering from a cold, and I also haven't done this in a while. Like last week was the first time in months that I did it, and I was only able to do mostly yellows, which is like the easiest portion, and even then it was still hard. So let's see if I can do better today, but I doubt it because I feel really weak. Okay. Good stretches.
It's very important to warm up.
Let's get started. Okay, what I want to do is really get back to my level of doing greens, and it would be really nice, really lovely if I could do a blue today. Like blue is like mid-range, and I used to do a couple, and I want to get back to it.
Let's go. Good job. You can do it.
You can do it. Oh, thank you. I always feel weird saying that. Subscribe, like,
and follow.
share.
Follow Jesus.
Yes.
I think my finger was in there. I'm not good. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Strong. Almost.
With one hand?
We already have 2 hands.
You can do it also.
Okay.
It's not possible. Max strength. Come on. Come on. Yeah, like this. Then the second foot up. And heel hook, heel hook.
That is very hard. Okay.
Ready, set, off.
Whoa, whoa. How much was it?
9 seconds, 69.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow.
Ready, set, go.
Push, push, push. Let's go. Oh, wow. Let's go. Yeah, it's good. You can reach it.
Okay. There you go.
All right.
I don't think it's accurate. It was a 6 at the end. I couldn't watch it.
Okay. Okay, my battery's running low, so I'm gonna end it here. And hopefully I improve like soon. Alright. Bye. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.